Hey family, welcome to Saved and Gold. If you haven't already, I'm encouraging you to watch the other videos in this digital marketing series. Chigoverah was really dropping serious knives. Now to get into this video, it's divided into two parts. First, I'll share Chigoverah's WhatsApp success story. Thereafter is a call to action. And I'll also share a free downloadable resource. You might want to stick around for that. Let's get into it.
This is my testimony of how WhatsApp made me to land in Germany. So because of the work that we were doing on WhatsApp, training people, I created a loyal following of a lot of people, because I think Chigoverah online groups, there are now more than 50, right? And my assistant actually helps me to manage those groups. So we were sharing the impact and everything, and I was identified by a company called Afrolink online. This was on Facebook. Then they said, Chigoverah, you know what? We are seeing your work that you are doing. And we have an e-learning platform that we have actually developed. And we have launched it in 9 African countries. And we want Zimbabwe to be the 10th, and we want you to lead the project. Then I said, well, this is an opportunity, but you just don't grab all the opportunities that come, right? So I then said to them, okay, before I say yes, I want to see the platform. I want to go through the entrepreneurship training that you are offering on that platform, then see whether it gives value to the people who follow me. So I then went on, I did the entrepreneurship course online, and I saw that it had so much value, because they had actually customized it to suit us as Africans. So in these 9 African countries, they had recruited about less than 50 people. Imagine, you have launched a product and you have recruited 50 people in 9 African countries. Then you come to Zimbabwe, where there is Chigoverah, who has WhatsApp. So I then said, after going through the training, I went to my WhatsApp groups. I did not advertise this course on Facebook or any platform. I then went to my WhatsApp groups and said, guys, there is an organization which is offering entrepreneurship training, and it's online. And we would want to collaborate with them. I've done the course, I've seen the value, and I believe that since digital marketing is just one way, we can actually have a full entrepreneurship course which will make you succeed in digital marketing, because you have the foundation in entrepreneurship, right? So I went there, posted in my groups. In one day, I recruited 750 people. That was a record. What happened next? I got a call from the founder of this organization. And then he said, Chigoverah, we have never seen such impact. Please, we want you in Germany just to come and share with us how you managed to make an impact on WhatsApp. We are going to fully fund your trip. I was put in the best airline, Qatar Airways. We had Wi-Fi through Dengai Momo, right? I was in Berlin for 1 week, and I had to tour tech companies in Berlin. Everything footed. I didn't spend, but everything. From the airport, it was like a VIP. I went to Facebook. I went to Instagram. I went to EY, to those who are into articles. I went to the tech companies, I went to Airbus, my friend who is into aerodynamics. I went to Flying Idol. As long as you are doing something, God will direct the people who are your destiny helpers. Saka ndatirishezve WhatsApp, because andisikuda kuti pana mazoenda mozonoti hatina pekutangira. If God lifted me up because of WhatsApp, what about you? There's nothing special about me, but how I use my WhatsApp. My friends know me. I don't have chit chats on WhatsApp. But hi, zviya takazoti kudii paya tikazoti wofunga imwe nyaya wakapedzisira. I don't do that. No, I don't have the strength. But when it comes to just understanding how I can give you value, I know that. And I do that with passion. So ladies, let's go and utilize the digital space. There are so many opportunities, right?
Hey fam, welcome back. So if you've watched Chigoverah's success story, you're probably pumped up on how you too can implement the digital marketing series that she's taught. Good news is, it can also happen to you if you choose to take concrete steps to implement what you've been taught in this digital marketing series. Now, firstly, you need to think about which social media platform you're comfortable with. Thereafter, you need to glean out lessons from the videos on digital marketing that Chigoverah has been teaching us to find out which strategies you can implement on your chosen social media platform. The Bible says faith without works is dead. It also says write the vision down, make it plain, so that you who may run with it. Now we need action. Linked in my description box below is a free downloadable goal planning sheet. Be sure to make use of it as you're planning your digital marketing leveling up game. Comment down below if you think I should do a video on how to complete the goal planning sheet and how I go through my planning and strategizing using this same goal planning sheet. Now, thank you for liking, subscribing, watching, and commenting my videos. It really helps me to continue giving you educational content. Till the next video, remain safe and go.